Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at this piece called Danse du Cocher. I will play the right hand part and the left hand part separately first. And at the end of this video, I will show you a few things to look out for if you're learning this piece. So here are a few things we can look out for. Bar 1, bar 3, bar 5, you get these rhythms on the right hand. So be careful that your finger 3, 2, 1 don't go into a mush. Okay? You can start by practicing slowly to separate each note. So they don't overlap each other. And then bar 17, this is fortissimo, and the right hand part has all these accents on top. So it's still telling us that right hand should be louder. And you can do a little bit of semi-detached as well. While the left hand, while still very loud, it should always stay under the right hand. Be careful you're not overpowering the right hand. Then in bar 33, this is one of the most exciting part of the music where we're getting acceleration. We're going quicker and quicker towards the end. So my advice will be going slightly quicker per bar. So for example, bar 33 is, but bar 34 you can go slightly quicker. So combine them, bar 33 to bar 34. Try not to exaggerate in the offbeat because it gets a little bit more confusing when you put both hands together. Not saying that you cannot do that, but to start with, if you have just started learning this piece, I would make each bar slightly faster. Then once you're more comfortable, try to go from bar 33 at a slower speed, quicker in bar 34, and then bar 35. But we always start slow when we're practicing. The last but not least, which is bar 25 to bar 29. No, pardon me, it's bar 31. I see quite a lot of my students would make the chord a lot louder because your thumb, naturally for most people, is the strongest finger, whereas pinky, our finger 5, is the most awkward one. So start by practicing slowly. So left hand, bring out the G and A in your finger 5. That will be more than enough to create an exciting sound. And on that note, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.